How to make Fortnite download faster? Hey everyone. Struggling with slow Fortnite updates? Subscribe to the channel and I'll guide you through 3 simple steps to boost your download speed on the Epic Games launcher. Take it step by step and you'll be back in the game in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open File Explorer. In the search bar at the top, type Tarsata Cent local app data cent and press enter on your keyboard. Once you're in the local app data folder, look for the Epic Games launcher folder. Open it. Then go to Saved Config Windows DOS. Take your time to find a file named engine.ini. When you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. Here, make sure the read-only option is unchecked. Next, open the file in a text editor. Paste the settings provided in the video description, save the changes, and then close the file. Step 2. Now open the Epic Games launcher and go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Throttle Downloads. When you find it, set the value to 0. This removes any speed limits so the launcher can use the full speed of your internet connection. Step 3. Finally, let's optimize your network settings. First, right-click the Start menu and select Network Connections. Next, right-click your active connection, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and choose Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Check the box that says use the following DNS server addresses. For faster browsing, enter Google DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, restart your connection, and you're all set. That's it. Once you've followed these steps, your Fortnite downloads will be much faster and you'll get back to the action quicker. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more tips like this. Let me know in the comments if these steps worked for you. See you in the next video.